Hello, thanks for checking into the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Tesla Model S. This one's a 2021, does fit certain other years, but this is the remote. This is the remote to the car. This will unlock the car and this will start the car. Currently, this one is dead. The buttons just don't interact. So we're going to replace the battery. First off, we're going to pop this out here. So we'll put the screwdriver in here. And I want to make sure I don't damage the casing, but I got to get in there and I'm going to lift up. There you go. You hear that little pop. And then you undo the, what I'll call the undercarriage of the car. So this cover here pops off. One real tricky thing on this car here, the circuit board is right here. So this metal screwdriver, I should be using a plastic one, but if you're careful, you're all right. You want to make sure you just don't damage that green circuit board. So what we do is we get in here, I'm going to pry this up, just like that. And we'll get under here. And the trick is, just kind of wiggle this back. There we go. Lift it back just a little bit and then it pops out. Take note of the way the battery goes. Plus side is actually down if you're looking at the remote. Face up when you have it upside down. So we will discard this. I mean, recycle that. And then we'll pop open the new Panasonic CR2330. That's a really strange size. Not super common. I do have it here in stock at Rocky Ridge Auto. Not something we really sell. We will typically hand them out to our customers. So we pop that out. Again, plus side is going to go up. And that slips in. Whoops. Put this in like this. Press it in. And then we'll put the remote cover on. So the front part, this little hook here, goes in the front. So I'll just kind of hold that down. Push that in. You're going to hear this really cool snap in just a minute. There you go. And that's it. Now the remote works. All the functions will work. We'll start the car. And that's it. Please follow us, subscribe for more helpful tips here at Rocky Ridge Auto. Thank you very much.